We are going downtown to go shopping, and they are closed. Bummer. This is a really good shop for specialty clothes. Good quality material, but they're closed for lunch. So Melanie went next door to a place that does not close for lunch to see if they had the same material we wanted. Unfortunately, they do not. So there's one more place to try, and then we have to wait for these people to reopen. Diamond is one of the big places for like school uniforms. Very cheap. Real nice Indian guy runs it. But right next door is my favorite clothing store, or a cloth store, not clothing. And she is checking in there for the material. They may have it, and they do not close for lunch. Most places don't anymore, but there are still a few that close. Used to be a lot more common. On a side note, this whole side of the street was the really overpriced KTVs, and they are all gone. Not just COVID closed, completely closed, gutted, gone. The city didn't like them anyway, I don't think, because there was a lot more than KTV that went on in there, if you know what I mean. I think the city's been wanting to get rid of them anyway. So while they are closed for lunch, we are going to go to Mercy for lunch. We've been here for pas super long, but I did not know they had a restaurant in the back. I'm getting fried chicken. They have chop suey, different salad meals, all kinds of different stuff. Hope it's good. This is what they call a sizzle plate. It's a chicken sizzler. The sizzle plate is noticeably missing. This is a soy garlic chicken, and it is quite good. She got bihon, which was also good. Yeah. Show me what you bought.
It's a glitter. There you go.
They've been trying to get rid of the sidewalk vendors, but now you see they carry their trays on their waist. That looks terribly uncomfortable. We're going to wander around and see what kind of trouble we can get into today. Her shopping is done. Mine is just beginning. I am looking for 7-Eleven. I need to pay for my Shopee. I'm ordering a model boat. It's a wooden ship. I've done lots of modeling, but I've never done a wooden ship. This is the boat we're ordering. It's extremely cheap, and I don't expect much from it. But here's two different versions that people have posted that they completed out of the same kit. Mine will probably be in between those in quality. I am a lifelong modeler, especially model trains. I've done a lot of scratch builds, but any kits I've done are always plastic. I've never done a wooden ship, and on this one you have to glue like all the planking in place individually. You have to string the mast and hang the sails. For the first wooden ship, it looks complicated enough, and it should be fun. It's coming from China. I hope it comes soon. Well, first, I gotta find a 7-Eleven. I keep going to 7-Elevens, and their bill payment machine is not connected. They're like, loss of connection, sir. Bummer. Speaking of Cebuano, and no one was speaking of Cebuano, This is Cebuano. It's like Palawan Pawn Shop, one of the money shops. But Cebuano's got this neat thing I didn't know about. You can open up an account in your own name, put in money, and they give you an ATM card to access it. So you can get any ATM and any Cebuano branch. And there's more Cebuanos than there are banks. This is very useful for people like out in the province that don't have a lot of banking options. I thought that was pretty smart of them. Good deal. The glittery cloth that Melanie bought is for the giveaways. We're making giveaways for an aunt's birthday. The birthdays here generally aren't a big deal, except age 7 for boys and girls. That seems to be the congratulations you did not die of childhood illness birthday. The girls have a big birthday at 18, the boys at 21, and then they kind of ignore them until 60. And the age 60 is the congratulations on outliving most of your friends and relatives' birthday, because 60 is pretty old around here. People talk like, well, they live to be 90. Yeah, 1 or 2 people in your family make it. Most of them die in their 40s in their sleep. High blood pressure and diabetes will get you every time here. But we're doing a birthday party for an aunt that is turning 60, and we're using that glittery see-through cloth to make the giveaways we're going to hand out at the party. The party is, of course, for family only, but since it's out in a small province, you know the whole barangay's going to show up. But they're all kind of quarantined together way out there in the middle of nowhere. Cloth is properly see-through, and she's going to be sorry she got that glitter all in her hair. I made 4 of them with the hole in it, and then we tied them on and did not like it, and so we put the rest inside the glass, and they look okay. So that's the giveaway for the parties. I've never done that in the U.S., but it's a big thing here. And that glitter is going to be around this house forever. So, how'd it work on paying for that boat? I've tried 3 7-Elevens to pay for my boat. It ain't happening today.
Enjoy your day in paradise.